That's, oh my God, what is this? Hey gentlemen, how are you?
Hi.
You know who he is?
Oh, this is Pakistan President Imran Khan.
Imran Khan?
Yes, very famous.
Where are you from?
I'm Malaysian.
You're Malaysian? So, what do you know about him?
He's a president. He's a very famous.
He's very famous? How have you come to know?
Before he's a cricket player.
He was a cricket player?
Very famous guy.
And
most Pakistani who pass by, they salute him.
most of the Pakistanis, and they salute him.
Yeah.
So Imran Khan, you should know that Pakistanis have not forgotten you. Whatever you have done for Pakistanis, they still remember you from the core of the heart. This is the respect of yours. Thank you very much. He's really famous in Pakistan. Okay.
ली जी मैंने आपको दिखाया अभी बाय चांस ये जो है वो एक जगह